Have you ever tried this trick for cooking chicken in an air fryer? Trust me, after learning this method, you might never want to fry chicken the old way again. The truth is, air-fried chicken is just as crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, and flavorful as deep-fried chicken, but without the splattering mess and standing next to a hot stove. With just a few common ingredients and a little time, you can make crispy, golden brown, fragrant chicken drumsticks that everyone in the family will want to eat as soon as they take them out of the pot. Remember to watch until the end of the video because the final result will surely surprise you and make you want to try it in your kitchen right away. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language, comment below, and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. First, prepare 1 kilogram of chicken thighs. Place the plastic bag in a large bowl. Then put the chickens into the bag one by one. This simple method makes marinating easier and keeps the kitchen clean. Now it's time to add flavor. Sprinkle into the bag 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of dried garlic, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon paprika, and 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric. These spices combine to create a warm, rich flavor with a delicate color and a subtle aroma. Once the spices are placed in the bag, carefully seal it. Gently rub the chicken through the bag with your hands, ensuring each drumstick is evenly coated with the seasoning. This step helps the flavors permeate every fiber of the meat, ensuring each piece of chicken is delicious. Using a plastic bag is an extremely useful kitchen trick. It keeps your hands clean, prevents spices from spilling onto the countertop, and ensures the spices are evenly distributed. After the chicken has been evenly marinated, let it sit in the bag for about 30 minutes. Do you have any tips to make cooking easier? Please share them in the comments. I'd love to learn from you. After the chicken has been marinated, the next step is to create a crispy outer crust. First, crack 1 egg into a small bowl and add a pinch of salt to enhance the flavor. Use a fork or whisk to stir the mixture until it is smooth, golden brown, and slightly thick. Next, open the marinated chicken bag and carefully pour the beaten eggs inside. Seal the bag tightly, then gently massage each piece of chicken to ensure it is evenly coated with egg. This egg layer helps the subsequent ingredients adhere better and also provides a light, creamy texture to the dish. The result is chicken with an attractive outer layer and a balanced, pleasant flavor after cooking. Next, open the bag again and add 2 tablespoons of tapioca starch. You can use cornstarch or potato starch, both are effective. Seal the bag tightly and gently rub to create a thin coating of flour around each chicken thigh. No need to press hard, just make sure the flour is evenly distributed. This egg and flour coating is the secret to crispy chicken skin. When cooked in an air fryer, moisture escapes from the meat while the outside becomes golden and crispy. Again, using a plastic bag keeps everything clean and simple. No dirty bowls, no sticky hands, no extra dishes to wash. The coating process is neat, quick, and stress-free. The next step is to combine all these flavors in an air fryer, where the chicken thighs will become juicy, golden brown, and delicious. Now for the most exciting part, cooking the chicken in the air fryer. Carefully arrange the chicken thighs in the air fryer basket in a single layer, avoiding overlapping so that the heat circulates evenly around each piece, helping the chicken cook evenly and become crispy all over. To make the chicken crispier, lightly spray it with olive oil. Just a small amount is needed. The oil helps the chicken skin become golden and crispy without being greasy. Slide the basket into the pot. Set the temperature to 180 degrees Celsius and cook for 25 minutes. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Halfway through cooking, gently remove the basket and flip the chicken thighs to ensure even cooking on both sides, creating a beautiful crispy crust. Do you prefer extra crispy or just lightly crispy chicken? Share your preference in the comments. I'd love to hear it. We'll make a simple dipping sauce to make the dish even more appealing. In a small bowl, add 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. These 3 ingredients create a balanced sauce base with a perfect balance of sweetness and mild sourness. Add 2 tablespoons of yogurt or sour cream for a smoother and creamier sauce. Stir until the sauce is smooth, light orange in color, and has a creamy consistency, making it easy to dip. This sauce elevates the chicken. Its smooth, creamy texture balances the crispy skin, and the subtle acidity and mild seasoning make each bite more enjoyable. It transforms a simple pan-fried chicken meal into something special and satisfying. You can adjust the seasoning. Add more mustard if you want it sour. Reduce the chili if you want it milder. The goal is to make it just right for your taste. With the sauce ready, the chicken dinner is almost complete. To balance the richness and crispness, prepare a fresh, colorful salad. This light dish is cool, refreshing, and completes the meal. First, put half a chopped bell pepper into a bowl. Add sliced cucumbers and half a diced tomato. Sprinkle with a pinch of salt and mix gently to blend the flavors. The natural juices from the tomatoes and cucumbers create a light sauce that requires no further additions. With just a few basic vegetables, you can create a fresh, colorful, and refreshing salad perfect for a light meal. This simple salad offers crispness and bright flavors, pairing wonderfully with hot, crispy chicken. The refreshing balance of the chicken skin and sauce creates a light and pleasant texture with each bite. Best of all, this salad is quick to prepare, taking only a few minutes, and uses ingredients readily available at home. This method delivers the satisfying crispiness of fried chicken, but is cleaner, healthier, and easier. No need to worry or stand by the stove. The air fryer does all the hard work. Now, just plate the chicken, sit down, and enjoy a simple yet flavorful meal. Now your plate is full of flavor: crispy golden chicken, creamy sauce, and a refreshing salad. When the cooking time is up, the chicken is beautifully golden, tender, juicy, and perfectly cooked without being deep-fried or greasy. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Now it's time to combine everything: crispy, golden chicken thighs with a vibrant, fresh salad. The contrast between the hot, crispy chicken and the cool vegetables creates a satisfying and balanced meal. Don't forget the accompanying creamy dressing, which adds the perfect flavor to every bite. This simple air fryer meal proves you don't need lots of oil or complicated steps to enjoy delicious food at home. If you try this recipe, I'd love to see your results. And if you'd like to learn what recipe next, please leave a comment. Don't forget to follow and subscribe to the channel to discover more simple, enjoyable, and easy-to-make recipes every day. See you in the next video!